up, boys? We are back. Today is dyno day. We are tuning a all-motor EG hatch, and I think Jamie's tuning a GTR. You guys got to see this GTR. GTR looks crazy. I think this car makes like 500-600 wheel. Street car. Car is beautiful. It should be Cacho's car. Yo, Maha, this shit bust your ass real quick.
I believe it. That shit's fucking slow.
We gotta buy one of these shits.
That's what I'm saying. I saw that to get one of these all fucking day long.
I'll keep you S2000. Shit got the hard top.
Keep it if I know one of these.
Yo, J-Rock, what we got going on today, bro?
The shit show kind of settled down a little bit.
No, the shit show never settles down.
As far as like cars getting torn apart, we cleaned up the shop a little bit. And today we're gonna tune this crazy clean hatchback.
Tell me the setup. Let's walk through it real quick.
It's a stock 2.0, I think it's a Z3, right?
No, it's Type S.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, Type S.
Type S trans. High tech, I think they're 52 mil ITBs.
This thing looks real clean.
What do you think power wise?
I'm gonna go 242. What you going with?
First pole or final number?
Final numbers.
We'll go,
You was on the money last time.
we'll go 136.
Oh, that's pretty low. This shit got ITBs, stock motor, no cams, Type S trans. Yo, Cat, what you going with? How much power?
235.
235?
235.
What about you?
130.
Damn! What? This ain't no B series. 230? Yeah, this car's fresh. This should give your shit a run for its money. And your shit's outside too?
Yeah, why you gotta pick on my shit?
And your shit's outside too? You want next lane? Yo, man, what's your horsepower number, I guess?
242.
242? That's what I said, right?
How you remember your own number?
I really don't. I'm gonna change it anyways in like 2 seconds. Stock Type S.
Stock Type S?
Yeah. Stock Type S, ITBs. We gotta write this down because I'm definitely gonna forget.
We'll go 240.
240? 240. I think I said 242.
That's 240.
I got high-tech ITBs. It's got a Skunk 2 alpha header, but the motor's bone stock. So we made, what did we make, 230 on the Z3? No, 225. Was it 230 or 228?
231, actually.
Oh yeah, you're right, 231. And he gets 230?
Yeah.
Oh, he definitely way off.
That's why I just got slapped to get the right number.
Yo, Jared, what was the horsepower you just said?
236, right?
The Z3, stock Z3 made 231.
Okay.
And you telling me,
ITBs
well,
make 40 horsepower?
it's not it's gonna pick up more than 4.
E3 is the A2, right?
It's A2.
The other one made 230 with the RBC.
Put your money where your mouth is.
I will. Your son said 230. He's way
You
off.
tell me what ITB is not going to pick up at least like another 10, 15
I said that. He said no.
Really?
Yeah, he
Bro,
said.
RBC made 230.
Bro, they're fucking like 24 mil ITBs.
They're like 58
Measure
mil.
shit, they're like 58s.
They're like 52s.
It's about the girth, baby.
You don't even know nothing about girth, bro. I know you ain't talking.
Yeah, this setup is
Bro, all these holes add up to a bigger than 70 mil, bro.
What'd you smoke today?
Yo, so you know what? If it does even, you know what? If it makes great power, you know why I made the power?
Cause you did it.
J-Rock built?
Cause you did it, huh?
And if it's smarter than I thought.
And what happens if it doesn't make the power?
He fucking built it. No, he definitely built it. The leprechaun. The leprechaun built it.
What do you think that made, bro?
That was pretty low. I'm gonna say, right, like,
That's not final.
no, it's not fine. I'm gonna say like 210.
210? Let's go check it out.
Way off.
Yeah, way up. VTEC probably wasn't kicking on.
It's still like,
Yeah, so
it's still not fully open.
the car made 100 horsepower because of what?
Quarter throttle.
Quarter throttle because
The pole was holding the fucking butterflies closed.
you think you gonna win? Yeah, baby. Yeah, you heard that. What do you think it's gonna be?
Wait, how many? 235.
That was baseline.
205.
205 baseline. 205.
I'm about to quit, bro. 30.
You ain't winning shit.
So I ain't watch.
Telling you right now.
He already got enough gold, leprechaun.
Shut up, bitch.
Pop, what's the pop? $8?
There's a dollar missing.
That's $8.
Yeah, man.
Dollar missing. I didn't put a dollar.
I got you.
So we got.
$8. I bet you put in $1.
Oh, Jamie gotta watch the screen.
We got J-Rock 236, Kev 230, my brother 242. That's the rest of the numbers right there. Final numbers.
That shit sound good.
Check this out.
I need some McDonald's money.
212. Damn! 212.
Those little shrimps are putting in work.
Hey, my son, what'd you guess?
238.
238?
I don't think we're gonna get there.
You don't think we get any more than that?
Nah, we're gonna get more. I don't know about 238.
Yeah, I don't know about 238. It's kind of hot out today. This car came out super fresh.
Ask him what you just said.
What did you just say?
The ITBs are better.
I bet you said, yo, let's put an intake manifold back on.
Yo, I think the RBC is better.
If this had a 2.4, it probably would have been better.
Yeah.
But it's not a bad street car because you can close the hood on ITBs. Yo, J-Rock, can you give me a quick work on this GTR?
Yo,
We in the wrong business,
I
right?
hope we can keep this here.
Damn.
Wherever this shit's going, we need to buy it from him so it stays here. This is nice. I don't think I've ever really been up close to one. I see him always online and Tommy.
Yeah, we need to go hang out with Tommy. But this ain't Tommy status though. This is 500-600 wheel horse. Tommy's about OEM, right?
Yeah, he would probably call us a grocery getter because of the wheels and shit.
Fuck it, jump in here, tell Tommy pull up.
I'll call him out with this car. I don't care. I
got-
want to race Tommy in something.
I got your 10-second car, bro.
Is it mine? Where's the title at?
You think it's gonna be final pull right here? Yeah, J-Rock.
I think it's time to go home.
Yeah, J-Rock.
Is we on overtime?
This is third
Why
time
am I hanging
putting,
around for this abuse?
third time you put injectors in this car.
What does he usually say?
I told him,
Do
I was
the
like,
job
listen,
right the first
I told him, I was
time,
like,
right?
yo, let me fucking clean. He's like, no, we don't have time for that because we got to start on the
He tried to, yo, Jamie, he tried to cut corners.
Misguided you? He misguided you.
Nah, I didn't. Yo,
That's your fault.
You know he did. He was in a rush today. That's what it was.
You misguided him.
I said, yo, Jamie's about to be in a half hour. We gotta put the injectors in. He could have cleaned them for 10 minutes, right?
My moves are probably not fucked up.
Nah. Why you on his side?
He's getting double fucked. Remember whose car was it with the radiator? I was like, yo, it was something. I was like, what do you want me to do with the radiator support we did on some car? The floating headlights. He's like, yo, whatever's the quickest just to get it out the door.
Yo, he made a floating headlight, right? Just to find out he has to put a full radiator support back on the car.
Bro, I spent like 3 hours. Somebody else made them. And I fucking spent 3 hours trying to get the front of the line. It looked fucking perfect. And man comes, opens the hood. He didn't like how like it looked so empty. So he orders a brand new radiator support. And I had to fucking put that shit on.
Damn, bro, you should have cleaned these injectors. It was all your fault. Third time's a charm?
I hope so.
Yeah, let's hope so. I just told J-Rock, third time's a charm, right? Third time injectors are out?
You hear that, baby?
Shit sounds good. You ain't getting shit. That's why you waiting here, right?
Go back to McDonald's.
That does sound good. That sounds good.
Sounds better, right?
That sounds real good.
Okay. That sounded good. 226. 226. Not bad. Okay, this shit looking good, right?
It look better than Kev's baby mom's.
You ain't. It look better than Kev. Yo, Kev, we love you, bro.
Yeah, I definitely love you, bro.
Yeah.
You know he just. You know he.
We love you, but we'll still bust that ass.
We definitely buying a GTR now.
Can we get one?
Definitely, for sure.
Next week?
I don't know if we're gonna find one of these next
We
week.
got one in the shop right now.
I'm gonna ask him if he wants to sell this shit. This shit is definitely me, and it's all-wheel drive. Okay, boys, end of day here today.
It was a long day.
It's been a fucking long day.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. We got the GTR and the rollers.
Yeah.
Well, me and him usually here 8 to 9.
I was here.
No, you wasn't.
I was here before you too.
Maybe a couple minutes. First one's in, last one's out. That's crazy, right?
That's how it is in business.
All right, so what happened today? Dyno the EG, finished the dyno. What'd you say before this video?
I take back what I said. I'm a Honda guy, but I'll fucking pick this car over any Honda any day.
You doing the same thing?
I don't know about NSX, but I'll pick it over any fucking Civic, though, I'll tell you that.
Now you siding with Tommy. Now what are you doing?
Don't be surprised in the next video if you don't even see another Honda in the shop.
Wow.
You gotta look at this car, right? This car's a fucking 89. 89.
It is an 8.
You gotta compare it to the cars.
Hold on. That's a 92.
Does the 89 fucking Civic look like this?
That's a 92, baby.
Does the 89 Civic look like this?
I don't know. Drop in the comments which car you taking.
89 Civic look like this.
Hold up.
What car does Honda have to offer to compete with this
Yo,
car?
could you open this hood real quick for me?
Fuck this car.
Yo, please.
Tommy, I wish I never met you.
Yo, J-Rock, come on, jump in, bro. Yeah, let's go.